Open the front passenger door and locate the glove box to begin removing the cabin air filter on a 2018 Chevy Equinox. Open the glove box and take note of the clips to the right and left rear of the glove box tray. Unclip both by applying pressure inward on the sides and upward on the top. If not already done, now would be a good time to remove the contents of your glove box. Next, locate the tray guide to the right. Squeeze the tabs of this mounting piece and slide the guide over the tabs towards the passenger door. Returning to the top rear of the glove box, locate the felt-covered arms on both sides. Pull inward and down towards the floor to begin removing the glove box. Lower the glove box to the floor. There are 2 screws on the air filter cover that need to be removed with a 7/32 bit. Please do so. Next, there are 2 tabs on either side that must be pressed in and the compartment door lifted to expose the cabin air filter. Pay attention to the arrow located on the air filter. It points downward. Also, note the center groove that will allow your fingers to grasp the filter. Pull the air filter straight out. Here are comparisons of the old filter on the left and the new filter on the right. I am using a Fram carbon air filter with baking soda. Reinsert the new filter, close the compartment door ensuring the clips snap into place, and return the fastening screws. On the rear of the glove box, pay attention to the open hinges used to secure the bottom. Swivel the glove box upwards, returning the right-hand guide over the mount, and continue moving upwards until the felt-covered side arms return to their mounting positions. Secure the clips at the right and left rear of the glove box, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to receive notification of future content.